Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is just going to be like a PR unboxing haul. I've got a lot of products that I need to show you guys and just do a PR unboxing haul because I haven't really done one of these on my channel before. It's going to be like a vlog sort of style video. Before I go any further, I just want to say that this video is sponsored by Best Fiends. So for those who don't know, Best Fiends is a adventure puzzle game where you can collect fiends and you pretty much just have to match up the same colored objects in order to defeat the slugs. Now I have been playing this for so long and I'm currently on level 160. The thing I like about this the most is that you don't have to have Wi-Fi when you're doing it. So if you're up in the air, like you're on a plane, you don't have to have Wi-Fi in order to play it, which is so good because honestly, the best time to play it is when you're traveling and you don't have any Wi-Fi. So this month, they're doing a little thing where you can play the Valentine's Day challenge in order to win massive prizes on the app, including a new character called Rose the Orchard Mantis. Now, if you guys are interested in playing this, make sure you use my download link below. You can download the game for free. It is free, that's even better. So if you guys want to download this game for free, make sure you click the link down below. And if you use my link, you will get $5 worth of gold and diamonds for free. So that's pretty much everything for me. And let's get straight into the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. Ew. I'm gonna sit here for a second, just tell you guys, there we go. So basically what's happening is me and Shani are going to the Maldives and we leave tonight at like 11:30. We're going on a trip there with Benefit. I'm so excited. This is like my first official like overseas, like being invited to an actual brand trip. So super proud of myself for that. Yeah, I can't wait. So we're there for about 5 days and I've got to head straight to Perth afterwards for my Perth masterclass. But right now I have you guys sitting on a massive stack of parcels and I thought I might just open them up on camera because I haven't done it in a while. I don't really do it on Snapchat or Instagram story anymore. I don't know why, I just don't. I feel like it just looks like very like, I don't know, it just looks very like, oh look what I've got. Like, do you know what I mean? And I feel like it comes across that way sometimes and that's what I don't want to at all. That's why I don't do it anymore. So, I'll just show you guys my vlog. So the first thing we have is from, I don't know, Natasha Denona. Yes. Maybe this is the new blush palettes and stuff. You guys, some of you guys are asking me to review the new blush palettes. That needs to get turned down. Okay, so from Natasha Denona's we have the Spring 2018. So we have some of the blush palettes and also some more of the duochrome top coats. Now I wasn't a big fan of them last time I used them, so maybe they've changed the formula, probably not, and they're going to be the same thing, but that's fine. All the blush palettes look so nice. I might give one of these away in a giveaway because I probably don't want both of them. And that's the other one. Oh, that's pretty. Whew! Thanks, Natasha, for still sending to me after talking badly about some of your products. I appreciate it, whether you've seen them or not. But the next thing we have is something from a brand called Happy Way. Let's have a geezer and gander. We just have a box inside a box. All natural protein powder travel pack. Ooh, you know what? Travel pack, this is perfect. I'm gonna take this to Maldives with me, just to get a little bit peckish, and I don't want to eat anything bad on this trip besides alcohol. That's what I said to Sarah from Benefit, from the, she's like manages all that sort of stuff. I'm like, she's like, any dietary requirements? And I'm like, yeah, just nothing unhealthy besides alcohol. Alcohol not included. Oh, cute. It's like little bags of this protein powder. Okay, cool. Perfect. I'll take them with me. Would I be able, oh no, that's food. I don't want to declare anything. Is that allowed? The next thing we have here is from Sephora and Kat Von Dijk. Yes. Oh, so this is like a glimmer liquid lipstick. Oh, these look cool. Oh my god, there's a black one. Oh, this pink one looks so lit. Let's give her a swatch. Okay, we'll have to see how these go. I'll have to try them out in a full face first impression still. Awesome. Thank you, Kat Von D and Sephora and Max Media. Love it. This one's really heavy. I have no idea what this could be. Oh, I ordered this. Oh my god, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm sorry if this is going on for so long, but like, I'm so keen. Oh, I'm so excited. I totally forgot I ordered this. I always go online shopping really late at night, so I always forget what I bought. I literally got them as soon as I saw everyone talking about them. They are the Makeup Revolution concealers. Apparently they're meant to be just as good or near as good or better than the Tarte Shape Tape, and they're only $6, I'm pretty sure. I got the shade C1, C5, and C8. Wasn't sure which one I would be. I also got some Makeup Revolution Bake and Finish setting powder, and then I got some more stuff from Makeup Revolution because I've had quite a few of you guys ask me to do like more London-based makeup drugstore brands and whatnot, so I went out and bought these. I forgot what site I got it from, but it was one that was, this actually came really quick, wow. Okay, so I just got a highlighter. I got this eyeshadow palette. This is in collaboration with a YouTuber called Sophie. Those colors look so good. Then I got like this warm toned palette. Oh my god, I'm so shaky because I did like a little workout yesterday and I'm not used to it, so I'm like, ah. And this is our highlighting palette as well, so that looks pretty nice. Okay, so you guys are on a weird angle. You can't see my face, but I'm sure you don't mind. This is from oh shit. This is from Beauty Blender. This has my address on it. So this is from Beauty Blender. This is from One Daydream Pia. Hi Michael, we hope you love the all new Beauty Blender Chill, the perfect summer addition to your Beauty Blender collection. Just chill and enjoy your very own neon sign. Oh cool. Oh, that's cute. I don't really know what that collaboration's about, but oh, we've got some lights and batteries. We've got, oh, that's a beautiful color Beauty Blender. You're joking. And then we have some Beauty Blender cleanser. And then we have like a globe in here that says, this is so lit. This is like a, that's cool. It says chill, and I guess it like glows up when you plug it in. Thank you, One Daydream here. Absolute legends. The next thing we have is a big fuck off box from Lush, I think. So this is the Valentine's Day collection. We have some stuff for bath and some shower cream and soap. I used to eat these when I was a kid. Did anyone else used to do that? Maybe not anymore, but it used to taste like rice, hey. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm gonna get these everywhere. Can I have a box I can just put them straight into because I've had enough. Oh my god, what is that? Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love this. This is like a, see you guys just up here. So pretty much in this box, we just had, there's this little tiny, little like hand painted cute little plate. And then we have a little pamphlet that says Lush Pride. And there's like, what looks to be like a drag queen on here. Yes. Oh, this is about LGBTQ. I love this. Oh, he's so cute. Tim Maguire. He's from Christchurch in New Zealand. Oh my god, I'm gonna read this to you guys. This is like nice. This is like the little slip here. Being gay is like the best roller coaster ride I have ever been on. The realization of my sexuality wasn't a sudden awakening. There was no revelation that I suddenly liked boys. Thinking back to my childhood, I was a pretty queer kid. Touche, sis. But it wasn't until high school that I ever put a label on what I felt. Same. I was getting called like a fag and like a poof, and I was just denying it my whole primary school because I didn't really know like what it was. Does that make sense? While the idea of finding the perfect man and settling down excited me, I guess I always thought life as a gay man would be so hard, so I avoided it. Aww. But that perception changed instantly when I found a little shop in my mall called Lush. I applied for a job, and upon being hired, I decided that in this new beginning, I would totally be upfront about who I was, no more hiding. For the first time, I comfortably told people that I was gay. For the first time, I was accepted without question. For the first time, I felt pride. Oh, that's so cute. I love when brands like are all in on this LGBTQ, like pride and stuff like that. Fuck, that makes me happy. Okay, moving on to the actual package of what's in here. Beautiful. My mum would die over this box. She'd be like, look, don't throw it out because I'm keeping it forever because I'm obsessed. And she'd put it on like a, I don't know. But mum, I know you're watching. You'd agree. You like this box, right, Till? Oh, excuse the elbow. Happens every time. Okay, so in this box, we have more rice bubble things. Jeez. Oh, we have bath bombs, sister. We have some shower scrub. We have, oh, phenomenal. Oh my god, it smells absolutely lit for the tit clit. Yes. Everything is just in here. Thank you so much, Lush. It smells lit for the tit. Yes. Oh, we have another package here from XO Beauty. Yes. Come on, Shannon. What you get? I'm so excited. XO Beauty brushes. I haven't really tried many products, but brushes are like, oh my god, I think I just see a brush. I think I just saw a brush. Yes! So in here we have some lipsticks. Nudes in all different colors. Regular lipsticks, I'm pretty sure. In this one, we have some liquid lipsticks. Oh, Serendipity looks like a good color. I think I'm gonna like that one, Del. Oh, I see lashes. Oh my god, more brushes. XO Beauty brushes the best because they're made in Italy. And like, come on, Italy comes through with the good shit all the time. And so does Shannon. Oh, that brush. Oh, the blending brushes. We have an angled brush, a blending brush, a shadow brush, and a jumbo face brush. Fuck yes. And then we have 4 pairs of Faux Mink lashes. And I've seen these styles before because Chris was using them when he was here. And I was like, they look so good. And then Lily was using a pair the other day. Thanks, Shannon and Hamish. And I've also got something else I want to show you guys. I've shown you in a vlog before, but I'm going to show you again because it's finished now. Here, we have the 2 frames that I got framed. So they're all done. Oh, that looks so good. By the same artist, Emily Ingham. I've showed you guys this in several vlogs. But I just want to show you the finished framed product. Look at this. Completely done. That looks so fucking good. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, I want to put it right there, but I can't put holes in the wall, so I have to wait until I have an apartment that has like picture railing or something like that, which sucks ass, but we can make do. It's just gonna have to go. It's just gonna have to sit in here for now and just hang out and chill, which is fine. I'm cool with that. Here I am back on the kitchen floor, called Mfinchaus Potatoes. So I just made a spinach smoothie. It's literally spinach, lemon and ice and some water. I got this idea off one of my friends, Alex Pike. So cheers to you, bitch. I'm really scared to see what this tastes like. Oh my god, that is disgusting. Holy, I meant to make Shani one of these. She's not going to be able to drink it. Ah! God!